Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first thing is, I used a USB mic last week, for the entire main, to Monday to Saturday videos. So I just want to know if you guys felt any difference because this video I'm just doing it as usual without any mic. So for actual videos, I know from tomorrow until Saturday I will be using that USB mic. So I'm just recording everything in one shot because due to some personal reasons I will be out for a couple of weeks and I won't be record any videos at that time. So I'm just trying to record as much as I can by this week itself. So I want your opinion on that USB mic because some people asked me to speak a bit louder and everything. So that's the reason I actually bought the mic because I'm actually speaking a bit louder, but due to phone's microphone I'm not sure it is picking whatever sounds on this side, not on the on the back side of to be very clear, on the display side, if you want me to be clear. So maybe that's the reason I'm not able to, I mean, you guys are not able to hear me clearly, but I hope that mic made a difference. So I really want some opinion on that one from you guys. So with that said, let me just show you what I'm going to unbox this week. Let me just start from Majoret, which I personally love the most in this series. So this is a GMC Hummer EV and I bought this for MRP, I think 349. Yeah, 349. So I actually bought this in Hamleys. To be very honest with you guys, those guys are playing a lot of games. They kept this separately in a, inside a desk, and they openly told me they are giving this to only people who are actually asking them to, I don't know, they are paying some money or something. They indirectly told me that. But one thing he openly told him is they are not going to keep this in pegs, and they are giving it to only people who are asking more specifically about these cars. So I spoke to him for nearly 30 minutes. I got this one, and let me show you the next one. This one, the Mercedes AMG GTR. I do have this casting in a racing version which came out in 2023. I did unbox that, and I bought this one as well. And there is one more. I'm okay. There is one more Renault I bought. I will be unboxing that later on. But these three cars, including that Hyundai which I unboxed last week, I bought all these cars after I pressured him so much. He went inside and took this out. And there is one more Volkswagen as well, that deluxe edition car. Okay, so there, honestly, even Hamley's employees are really getting on my nerves nowadays. I'm not sure if anyone is going to watch this video from their end, but if they're watching, take some action because these are just toy cars, man. So if you're really worried about a tea, or coffee money, then go and beg, to be very honest, because this is my hard earned money which I'm giving it to them for purchasing this car. I'm not going to pay 20 or 50 rupees more to those idiots who are expecting money from me. I'm not going to do that. If you're going to sell it to me, sell it to me for my MRP, and I'm just going to pay it for you. But if you're expecting me to pay some money like other assholes did or does, or maybe still they do, there are some assholes who does that, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to get whatever I'm able to get it under MRP or on MRP, nothing else. So with that said, let me just move it to the next one. So I bought some ultra hards. I mean, like out of 8 I bought 4. I know some I actually excluded from personally from my end because I don't know, I didn't like it that much. Okay, this is the Honda CRX. So let's see whatever I have here. Okay, I did see the Escort, but I didn't pick that. But I didn't see Volkswagen Savannah and Porsche Outlaw. I don't remember I saw that. Okay, rest all I have. I do have, we are we will be unboxing this Pontiac Starlet and the Scopa Corvette. So let me just showcase you that. So here is the Pontiac. I do love Pontiac so much, but these are not full metal. These are actually plastic chassis. So here is the Toyota Starlet. So this one is actually full metal. So that's the reason I bought this one. I mean, at least a little bit of worth the money. So I bought all this for 299 only, which is the MRP, not more than that. So this is the Copo Camaro and sorry, Copo Corvette, my bad. And this is also a full metal one. So I bought this as well. I personally do love, Chevy, Corvettes or Camaros and all. So I bought this one. So stay tuned, guys, and we will be unboxing this throughout this week. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.